So sweetie, we are making chicken sausage for today. So here we have one full chicken. So we are going to chop the chicken. So this one is the bone. We are going to keep it aside. And here we have the beef. So this one is the bone. So sweet, over here I'm having this beetroot. I will divide it into two. Just like this. Then peel the skin. So I'm needing this to skip it like this. So add it. So I'm adding salad cream. That is okay. Over here we have garlic powder. So I'm adding this butter. I add the paprika, that is pepper. Then adding onions powder. I'm going to be adding this barbecue sauce, a little bit of it like this. So add the salt. So now we cover to blend. So now I'm going to transfer it over here. So I'm going to be adding oil over here to rub my hand, you know. You are needing something like this. So this one is nylon. So you tie it over here. Then you do the same to this one. So you have something like this. So yeah, let's do the rest. So yeah, we are adding water over here. This one is okay. We have everything like this. Look at that. So sweetie, here we have the hot water. So yeah, let's add it. So yeah, we are going to cover this to cook for 15 minutes. Sweetie, wow, it has cooked at this point. Oh my gosh, it has cooked, guys. Look at that. Wow, wow. This is so perfect. Oh my goodness, God. My first time making this, and it's everything beautiful. Wow, wow. So now I can always have my sausage at home, anytime, any day. So sweetie, let's prepare noodles using our sausage. Anyway, let's see how it goes. I'm so excited. We are using this homemade tomato sauce. So yummy. Adding salt. Adding this chili sauce. Adding black pepper. So allow this to turn to boil. So here we have our chicken sausage, and then we are going to take one of it. Wow, come on, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. See how gorgeous this looks. So this is the best way you can ever make your chicken sausage at home. Very, very easy, and then so sweety. Like, this is so yummy, guys. It's so yummy. You can always get this done by yourself. Anytime you want to eat any food that concerns sausage, you can just get this done, and then you are going to love it. Don't forget to share, because I'm using this to enjoy these noodles, and it's everything delicious. Adding red and yellow bell pepper. So now I'm adding the sausage, and then it's ready. Like, it's so yummy. Look at that. At this point, it's ready. Wow, so yummy. So sweetie, look at that. So sweetie, this is so delicious. You can always get your sausage done at home, and you are going to use it to make any food of your choice. I love it in my next one. Don't forget to share. Bye.